Hello, this is House Hunter here, and today we're going to tour 120 Paseo Belena in Aptos, which is the Seascape area. And the thing I love about this particular property is that it is a fantastic 4-bedroom, 3-bath, over 2,000 square foot townhouse, and it's 1.29. But the thing I really love about this is not only is that the rooms are very nice and good space, a lot of natural light, high ceilings, but and a 2-car garage. But I love the on-trend, beautiful wallpaper. So let me know if you're interested in making an offer. I would love to help you win, and give me a call. Thanks.